We all see the final, polished marketing campaign. What we rarely see is the sheer mechanical friction required to get there. Behind every pristine video or design layout is a dense mess of layers, timelines, and interface panels. The daily life of a working creative is heavily weighted toward administrative labor. Hours disappear into batch renaming video clips, masking out backgrounds pixel by pixel, or reformatting artwork into 20 ratios. The demand for multi-platform content is now outpacing human physical capacity. When every project requires dozens of versioned assets, the time spent on manual adjustments eventually exceeds the hours available in a working day. This creates a bottleneck in the creative process. The tedious mechanics of executing commands inside software interfaces are taking up the time that should be spent actually refining the artistic vision. Generative AI entered this landscape as a tool to address that volume crisis, but it was met with immediate, industry-wide skepticism regarding control and ownership. Data from an Adobe survey of 16,000 professionals shows that 75% of creators now view AI as essential just to survive their workload. But 85% of those exact same creators insist the final creative decision must always belong to them. This creates a direct conflict between the need for speed and the demand for authorship. How do you automate the grinding, multi-step reality of a professional workflow without automating away the human's taste? Solving this requires moving past traditional single-image generators. It requires an entirely new class of intelligent software built to act as a partner rather than a replacement. To address this, Adobe has shifted its approach from standard generative tools to what it calls creative agentic AI. If you look at this diagram, you can see how agentic AI operates. Instead of taking one prompt and returning one image, it acts as an orchestrator. It receives a goal and executes multi-step processes across a sprawling flowchart of different formats and applications. Through new features in Firefly called Elements and Projects, the system maintains strict visual continuity. Assets like a custom logo or a specific character design travel perfectly intact down every single branching pathway. This means a single conceptual description can now generate a complete brand kit or a full storyboard sequence with the exact same color palettes and cinematic lighting styles locked in across every asset. By acting as a connective layer across the production process, agentic AI provides the continuity that has historically prevented generative models from being viable for large-scale enterprise campaigns. The creative agent also handles the traditional click-heavy setup tasks that define professional software. In Premiere, the agent instantly sorts raw footage into assigned bins and automatically isolates the specific interview questions you need from hours of tape. In Photoshop, a text command swaps out a background environment and then automatically resizes the resulting composite for every required social platform. In Illustrator, you can feed the agent a basic spreadsheet, and it will instantly generate 50 perfectly formatted, versioned design files. InDesign users can hand off a template, and the agent applies universal copy updates while running technical print readiness checks across the entire layout. And inside Frame.io, the agent reads raw client notes to organize shoot assets and surface critical feedback directly to the editor. The dynamic here is strictly defined. The human describes the desired outcome, the AI executes the mechanical setup required to get there, and crucially, every single layer the AI generates remains fully editable. This is how you resolve the paradox from earlier. The AI builds the entire mechanical foundation of the house, but strictly reserves all the final interior design choices for the creator. Because this creative agent is driven by natural language, the technology is no longer physically trapped inside complex professional design apps. This network model maps out Adobe's strategy to expand its reach. It pushes this creative layer out into the standard communication platforms where hundreds of millions of people actually spend their day, directly integrating with Slack, ChatGPT, Copilot, and Claude. Placing professional-grade creation tools into standard chat windows alters the working definition of a creator in the digital economy. For decades, a creative's output value was tightly linked to their physical interface speed, memorizing keyboard shortcuts, navigating drop-down menus, and manipulating software tools. Now the human sits explicitly in the director's chair. The creator is responsible for the initial vision, the aesthetic taste, and the high-level judgment. The AI functions as the production crew, executing the specific physical labor. Adobe's expansion of agentic AI suggests the value of a creator isn't found in pushing buttons. The future belongs to those who possess the clearest vision to guide the machine.